So the Mazda that I've had for years and years, I bought the truck for like 800 bucks. Didn't have a transmission in it, but it came with a transmission, and so, but it's like the wrong year transmission or whatever. So either way, I put that trans in and made it work. So it's been kind of the shop truck for, geez, I don't know, like 8 or 9 years or something like that. The clutch in it is like whooped. So it's like so difficult to drive. Like literally there's like this much room for engagement. It's like a switch on or off. Every time Mara tries to drive it, she does burnouts up the driveway and shoots rocks everywhere because there's literally like you can't like operate the clutch. It's either on or off. These guys think they can do the clutch in 45 minutes. So Taylor just did one in Dan James's truck. So they said, if the two of us can do it, we can do it in 45 minutes. So that's what they're up to right now. And see where they're at.
We need to use the BT.
It might all be gone. Mohan was using that stuff like it was Windex.
Also, the power steering decided to take a dip.
Oh, when? Just now?
It said the seal on the bottom went.
Oh, lame.
Yeah.
Look at it. That sucks.
Yeah.
So that's just another thing that we gotta fix.
Tim says you.
So the 45-minute transmission job is not a 45-minute transmission job because when I put the transmission in the last time, I ended up welding the shifter, like the shifter was cut off or something, so I welded it on, and then how I welded it on made it so you can't get to the bolts to take the shifter off. So it took 30 minutes just to get the shifter off. Shifter's off. Let's see how long it takes.
Now it's gonna take 30 minutes.
Let's see.
Dip into a nasty deep lag.
Yeah. We basically piss excellence. We're accidentally wearing the same shirt.
I told him you gotta change.
Yeah, we can't be in the same room for too long.
No. We were in the same bathroom together. It was weird.
Basically, this is a love-making machine right here. You start this up, this thing purrs just like a Siberian cat.
45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Yeah.
Done?
If we did it again, we could probably do it in like 20.
It took 30 minutes to get the shifter out of it.
Well, yeah.
That was my fault.
Yeah.
I welded it in there.
Somebody done slammed a two-sided bolt in there.
Yeah.
It's okay, we sawed it off.
It's alright. I ain't never seen a sawzall blow sparks, but it did like the cutoff.
You saw that thing off like my shotgun barrel.
All right, and then as soon as he pulled in the power steering, what do you ever call it? Steering box.
Permanent vacation.
Yeah, it exploded.
Permanent vacation. I like that one. That's called
Yeah,
retirement.
looks like the
Smack it with a hammer. It fixes everything.
And everything's
I'll
a
bet you
hammer
it
as
would.
it turns out.
I have an expensive one.
It is fixed, and they did it in 45 minutes. It's as you can see, this is basically the truck that I use for yard work. We take the trash cans from the shop, put them in the back, and then drive them to the dumpsters over there. It pretty much just gets driven around here in the parking lot, or if I need to go pick up mulch or something like that. Mara at one point had the seats out of this thing and completely like detailed the inside of it, and literally like, I don't know, a couple days later somebody took it to the scrap yard and like dug their gross oily muddy feet in this thing. But oh yeah, whew, this clutch feels nice. I think I'm gonna start driving this every day. This is great. Oh. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing to drive something that has a brand new clutch. I don't care what it is. If it's got a new clutch, it feels good to drive. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Smash the button. Smash it.